flat is caught my car. It's caught in the house, he bring it flat.
Ah.
Flat with car, we ready take.
Oh yeah.
Flat tire, need to fix. The hub hole, cannot stop. Fork,
What happened?
the white fork. The back tire, we ready fix the front, now the back flat. Hit in the house, parking. Flat, cannot fix. Hub hole.
So why?
Yeah, we go to the car, the top. Stop, nice.
Over there. Over there. Yeah. Yeah, over there. Okay. Melvin suction. Melvin, I think Melvin is. Kasalit! Hi! My brother, wife.
Mayroon pang ano ah. May public ah. Ano yan? Test drive? Are you working in your company lang? Bangladesh? No? No work?
Tablet ata malaki. Tablet. Ito sa tablet.
Working? Windows Office. Aman.
Listahan.
Ah, buka ka rin? Wow. What's the party then? Party ka ka? Party. Oh shit, where's my wife? I'm going to take some food from you.
Okay? Good? Nah.
Ano, ako katabi sa dito. Go. I just come and spot. I just wanna spot.
There's a pizza boy also. I think that I'm gonna collect the food.
Oh yeah. Pwede pa ko.
Right? Amen.
Naman. Maraming. Mana?
I've been going up to the pillar when she tried and her car was down. So yeah. So I went up and Friday night or Saturday night when we were up. And then we were sitting there telling story and then for long. Yeah, pancit maybe. Only pancit, don't give me the barbecue.
Wait, I'm looking for a soft drink box so I can pollute them.
Huh?
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
And then they off the light, they will on the disco light. Are we on the disco light? This guy, we just came straight from I pay my stop lying. You guys are running away. No, I'm joking. Hey Steve, watch it up. Last year you win a very big prize. If this year you win again, watch out tonight. I'm gonna come and harass you at your house and take that kid. I'm gonna tie your wife and cover the eyes and the mouth so you don't talk.
I'm not. Huh?
You know those ladies there? You might not know anything, but they probably gonna pick you and do something. They're gonna put you and make you use drugs and you don't know.
Ano?
They struggle, but then when it comes to drugs and alcohol, they can fight. But they struggle from other people. I don't know why.
No, I'm okay. No, I'm okay. Okay.
Wow! I can deal with the beer. I can deal with the beer, but when it comes to hot stuff, oh my gosh, you don't wanna. That's why I'm telling I only remember stopping the tire and my handcuff. That's all I remember. And I'm thinking, oh, that's also one tire. What if it's four? That's what he realized. Fuck the car. Wait I have to put something in my stomach. my head. Just because I'm heading up, you don't have my head.
I saw you right there. You can I asked you.
Why? Solo kiss ka na. Like that.
I like your not much, but
everybody here. Kuya over there, they when you got kuya over there. What you did?
Huh? Yeah.
You call him or you call me? Why you come? I don't know what you want.
Eh?
So my name is Paul because Paul down. Jesse. Hey, Jesse. Next. Me? Sorry.
Ano kayo malaki yung binigay ah? Akala ko yung kalendar lang sa'yo, pinakauna. Kalendar dapat kayo. Oh, kalendar sa mga yun.
Thank you.
Thank you. Not the one with the red.
You choose.
I choose this one. Oh! Uy, bakit dalawa? Hindi, isa lang. Ito. Then, I pick. Letter A! Uy! Uy! May letter N! Alvin!
Teka, pag-iisipan.
You sure it's the right name?
Ayoko yan.
Just get what the...
Kettle.
That's the single one.
Ikaw, anong sunod mo? Kayo maliit mo eh. Hanap ka muna dyan.
Which one?
Just maliit mo na maliliit. Choose one ka muna. Grand prize na agad, sir.
This one.
Okay, tapos. Ulit mo. Di calendar pa po. Malalaki na to.
Alvin!
Lugod, apet ini, ma.
Lanya cheating!
Kamutan siya. Amen. The next one, going to...
We have R.
Ha? Par?
Ronald!
No.
Eliasar.
Eli!
Alright. The singer!
Kettle.
The singer!
Balikan na,
Alright! Yeah! Let's clap!
Picture. Champion.
Champion, number 1.
Hey! Clap!
Pili ko, Eli. Pili ka muna, pili. Pili ka muna bago ka bumunot, pili. Pili ka muna. Pili ka na. Hindi. Tissue. This one.
Danger ah.
Oh, tissue.
Oh, so that's the price.
Who is the lucky guy? Tissue.
Me, because I like to use which too.
Maintenance. Kuya Bernard.
Hey!
Very lucky ah.
For sale.
Save money, not to buy tissue.
Good fight to us. Picture.
Choice one.
Eli, picture. Yan.
Oh, that's me. Lagay ko sa kotse para di makalimutan. It's not happy time.
Dante.
Oh, I don't see Dante around.
Get Dante yan.
Yeah, send me for Dante.
Don't forget the salary.
Hey, Hillary, have you name there?
Hillary.
Ay, why not choose that?
Calendar. Calendar. Picture.
Just checking.
Picture mo lang di.
Dapat yung kalendaryo sila na sinama. Kung ako yan, hampas ko sa pagbumukha ng kalendar.
Yan mo lang dahil sinama na nila. Picture lang.
MC, just that you checking.
What?
Right side. 1, 2, 3, testing.
No.
Magkano ba bibenta to, boy?
Choose first. Ilan choose first?
Yeah, choose.
Okay, box red. And then pick.
Okay, that's me, right? That's me.
Bernard!
Hey, Lanya, no wonder why you always busy.
Picture kay Bernard, picture.
Oh, clap. Take picture.
Piki, electric fan. Disney. Bernard.
is not for the raffle.
Nike? Not. One more. Well, absent. One more, Bernard.
is already out.
Kenneth! Nox na daw! Kasi Kenneth na electric pa, no?
Alright, yeah.
Nakakatulog ka na yan!
Yeah. That's it. That's the way.
Picture tayo, Nay.
Yeah.
Ito special yung number lang.
Yeah. Hey, nice, nice.
Galing to.
Tayo yan. Patrick!
Patrick Sanchez!
Patrick! Pat!
Sanchez, no? Patrick Sanchez.
Natin piso natin piso!
Oh, right on.
The yellow box! Inside the generator!
Kadiba, may baby that one. And then you're gonna pick.
Pan? Oh, $5 oh! Palang! Picture! It's a mini car! Mini car! I don't know! Bumunod ka siya? Yeah! Kakapit! Ay, tissue!
Right on. Yeah, let's go.
Tissue!
Woo.
Sakto!
1 month supply. That one.
Picture! Ay, meron pang box oh! One more box! Hindi yan! Tapos yan eh! Omar! Omar! Tuloy!
Wow, Omar.
Kaya ni Omar dito na. Hindi na donate. Last year donate ah.
Hindi, ano ba yan sa akin dito?
Yung box.
Ano ba yun?
Salamat ito.
Tama mo na gano'n. Hindi,
Hey, speak English.
Napili. Hindi yan kasama eh.
baka unfair naman sa akin. Ano lang,
Yan na lang, yan.
si Jeffrey.
Jeffrey! Please!
Yeah.
Christmas!
Yeah, Christmas.
Christmas is Chris!
Yeah, Merry Christmas is Christ.
Ano yung bukbukan? Yung buk ayaw mo?
Hindi, ibabalik.
Ako ni mo, akin na lang. Domingo!
Right. Hey, lad.
Pintura niya ito, may pintura.
Yeah. Nice.
Right there is, Omar.
Omar is finder.
No, it's already give it to me.
Hey, MC cannot like that. Yeah, diba?
Ha? Donnie!
Donnie.
Judy, it's okay. Take it. Donnie, yeah. Donnie and Dante.
Tony and Dante,
Yeah,
take it because they're working.
Yes.
Because they wanna come, but they cannot come because they're working.
Yes. Very good understander ah.
Ano? Sometimes we have to understand our job.
Yes. Oh,
Gift certificate, $50.
gift certificate from boss. 20 or 50? 40 maybe $40. Mayroon pa oh. Yeah. Hindi, pag-gift set.
Hey, I don't have many years.
Gift check from boss. D. D na rin eh. Donnie, dalawa na yung Donnie ah. Paul! Pilugin ka rin! Rider, ha? Ride out picture! Amen! Napunod sila. Nagaling lang. Choose one. Check it out. Check it out.
Nakakuha si Kulang Subria.
No need. It's black. Very good. Good, it's black, One more. May joker.
Hindi alam pangalan. Lumipad kasi kanina yun eh. Nelson.
Nelson. And again? Nelson! Gift check. Worth $40 maybe.
No, $50 certificate.
$50 certificate from NCPix. Yeah. Joten.
Next for Okay?
Yun! So, I buy this gift card and for NCP.
Yeah.
With certificate from NCP.
Oh, there's another second raffle, ha? Your name is put already. Okay?
Now we have more. This lucky one.
Are we included there?
Lucky first one is...
Sorry, manager is okay. This is for your employee, okay? On your. Huh?
ER.
LD.
LG! Nakabawi sa gift check, ha?
Nakabawi yung tisyo, ah.
Panalo. May mga tissue, mga kuha dyan. Dalawa lang yan, Jess? Dalawa lang. The second is...
Enter.
Sorry. Picture.
Okay, it's finished. Raffle is finished. But I have a special dosuri gift. So this for gift in the employee of engineering this year. 3 people. This is my choice. Okay? For sometimes somebody and
There we go po, Selby.
okay? If you do not other complaints, okay? So first one.
Listen guys, listen.
Do not stay here. Do not stay here. Okay, first one is the Donny.
Tony.
Donnie.
Second one, Joseph.
Jordan.
For housekeeping because he will not complain. No
Yeah,
way,
Joseph
no
is...
accept. Okay.
Take Joseph. Patrick.
Oh, Patrick.
And next one is Elijah.
Elisa.
Ina mo, huwag kang maglukuli ha.
Just choose it. Go.
Maaga pa. Saan ba? Uy, ano kaya mo?
Okay, thank you.
Hey, thank you. Wow. Applause.
Christmas cake.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody.
Merry Christmas to you also. Bill, right to Bill. Etong, right. Sa labas.
Hey, boys. Baka sabihin, hindi pasok ito.
You guys, you need to participate, okay?
Boys, please.
How many more you need? Tigilan lang.
Lahat.
How many person do you need?
Lahat, boss ka. Nelson. Isa lang ang matitira.
Oo.
Nelson, ang third.
Kahit matalo, okay lang. Two for five, yeah.
Okay, thank you. That's what I wanted from you. Alright, now I'm waiting. Sa'yo, in. Sa loob, sa loob.
Okay, we're gonna start now. Practice first. We're gonna say in. You go in. In. Yeah, you come in. If you stay out and 3 seconds you out, you lose. Not.
Can I join?
You join. Yeah. Only one will stay. Everyone will participate.
But one mistake you have.
Yeah, the game is in and out. If I say in, you go inside the box. If I say out, you go outside. If you stay in the in and I say out, you lose.
Yeah. Now I
Yeah, in and out, yeah. Right on. Go line. Stay in the line, Don't step in the line. Okay. Don't step in the line, Paul. Step in the line. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna start in. Okay, Nelson, let's loose. Okay, Nelson, not you. Stay there. Yeah. Stay there. Yeah. Stay here in. Yeah. Okay, start. Out. In. Out. Oh, you missed Okay, one more. In.
Maling na yung katawan ko eh.
Oh, your foot. You lose. There's a line. Fall in. Okay, start. Out. Oh, you lose. Okay, one more. Out. In. Out. In. Out. In. Oh! You forward. In. Out. In. Oh, you lose too. Okay. Out. In. Out. In. Oh. You lose.
So, many of them left.
You lose. Oh, yan. One line na. Okay. Start. Out. In. Out.
Huwag ka rin sumayaw
Oh, dalawa na lang. Oh. We have 2 players. Okay. In. Out. In. Oh, we did. So get the prize. Nice. Get the prize there. The flyer. 2 players.
May panggamit.
Who's the one longest jump? You gonna win. Alayo na lang talon kaya ni.
Hey guys, Sister Dorothy Lee, he told me that we have to speak English from now on. Nice job.
Ano, sunod, Piko? Hello, Piko.
Gonna win.
You guys could play!
Who's the one longest jump gonna win? Like that one. You jump.
Palapitan ba ng talon yan? Palapitan ng talon? Talon na ako, yes! Parang discrimination yan ah.
Dapat yung tumalon muna yung mababa. Kasi pag malayo agad talo.
Pwede sa ligaw. Ha? Hindi yung mga lasing daw.
Pagbulsak kaya. Siya na nasali.
Side cutter ba? Ano bang pang-premyo? Side cutter?
Wala na, nakakuha na ni LP. Side cutter. Tara, doon. You're the next. Pala yun ang tulog. Everybody guys, please. Chill lang. Sunod niya kagad. Kagad na sunod. Ilan ang ano mo? Sabado linggo. Ito light press. Pila ka doon pre? Talo na ako dyan. Kailan sa talon? Palayo na lang talon. Sabi ka lang, kahit dyan ka lang makatalo mo, okay lang yun. Dapat try mo yung malapit lang. Oo, meron o. Oo, magating yung talalo ba ako dyan? Dala ko yun ng galing Colorado. Oo.
Walang bulo.
Walang bulo. Walang pwelo daw.
Walang bulo.
Oo, walang pwelo. Dapat tanggalin natin mga mabibigat. Oo nga. Tanggalin nyo bala kayo.
Ano ba yun? Yung buwit sa... Ang paa kung saan babagsak yung paa?
Oo, kasi nabagsak yung paan.
If we say jump, you jump the longest jump, they're gonna win.
Isa-isa ba o ano?
Good job.
Ano makikita pag sabay-sabay?
Magka-jump, please stay lang kayo.
Hindi, ano siguro? Oo, stay lang.
Stay lang.
Eh, pag ano mga Rex,
Stay lang.
Can you speak English?
Wait, wait, wait.
One jump.
Sabay-sabay o isa-isa?
isa na lang para makita mo sa isa.
Oh, one line? Oh, one by one.
One by one.
Oh, one by one. Oh, yeah.
One by one.
Pero nakapila na tayo lahat para pagtawag ng pangalan. Because you cannot measure. Sa tapawin na.
Makikita sa
One line, one line.
One by one. Jump. Alright, let's go boys.
Kenneth first.
Okay. Jump.
Who's gonna be first? Kenneth.
Yeah. What about me?
Okay.
Okay.
Dito. Ah, dito ba?
Okay.
Oh, next. Next. Kenneth malaman si
Pangilson.
Next, naman malalaman si Kenneth. Hindi, susunod lang sa pila ko yung susunod na ano. Hindi, kung sino mahaba. Yung tala sa likod ko yan.
Hey, stop complaining in Philippine language.
Standing long jump lang walang pelo
I told you guys to speak English.
Oh. Oh, kay Kenneth to.
Magaling si Pangilson ah.
Ito sa likod yan ito, para di maligaw.
Ako.
Gusto to si Kenneth. Steady lang ha. Oh!
Stand, stand. No, no, stand.
Stand. Wala na.
Stand is the one.
Madaya. Ayan, ikaw. Ito, kailangan mo yung break to.
Mas malakas tumalon to. Oh, sige.
Ay, buta nga!
Mas malakas nga.
Break.
Buta din na.
Mas mataas yan, oh.
Hindi na lang. Hindi. Ay na, ikaw ang maglaban.
Next.
Nanalo na pala to.
You have to break this. Wait, I have a question.
stand on the line and jump?
Yeah. Cannot. Only stand and then jump. No. Next.
Nanalo ka na pala.
Pag nanalo na, hindi na pwede. You need to break this one.
Fuck man, I'm
Jump, I carry you.
You know, we make it team.
Ikaw din. Okay, jump, break this one.
Wala na, nakatapos na ako. Nalagpasan ako ng isang dangkal.
Take a deep breath and then jump. Try this. Try this.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2. Oh, loose! Alvin, ikaw na.
Maybe too much sperm in my body.
Wala pa. Di ba pala, kulang pa.
Hey Alvin, try again.
Alvin, ulitin mo.
No, who's
Ayos, yan.
So the winner is
No, only sample. One foot only.
Never mind, I just jumped.
Only Alvin, zero. Paul, you next, Paul. You're next. Last one, last one, no more. No more, last one,
one more.
Uy! Break!
Oh shit! One more. Are you for real? Yeah, you talking. The winner.
We get these two the next game.
I know.
Okay, you participate. The one who win, never participate, Omar and Elvin. Okay.
Akin yung kalendar.
Why is that?
The next game is head, shoulder. Sorry. Knees. Head, shoulder, knees. Ay, ito ba next?
Yun na, ito.
I'm gonna serious play.
Oh, sabi mo na, chances of winning.
Suntukan ba yan? Kali ako.
Nabura pa yung talon ni BDM. Laki pala tumalon mo.
Kenny, okay. Open line again, Kenny.
Pwede na kayo sumali, sabi ni Bessie.
Oh, yung mga nanalo, pwede ka.
Kasunod dyan.
Even the winner, we can participate now.
Come on, all right. Head, shoulder, and then your hands will, head, shoulder, knees. And then if I said battle, you take it, and then your partner will gonna lose. First one who pick the battle gonna win.
Okay.
Okay?
Can you explain good?
I said, if the MC said, head, shoulder, knees, battle. Who the one who pick first battle gonna win.
The fastest one.
Fastest one.
Just like the music coaching.
Holy cow.
Partner, ha? Tapat. Sino makauna makakuha, siya panalo. Tapos hanggang matira isa, babawasan natin ito. Sabi na ba nila, English. Hindi, marami pa eh. Ano ba yan? Kulang pa. Hindi, helper. Challenge this one. Dito ka, pre.
Alvin Cuchillo, sampol.
Oh, sample lang. Sample. Okay, sample. Oh, sample. Head. You touch your head. Shoulder. Knees. Battle. Like that. Yan. Okay, you get it? You wanna play? You can play.
It's not fair. I'm not in the game.
You go.
Oh, okay. Hey, after that, you come
It's Christmas.
Sis, Uncle S, one more favor. If my wife can change.
Play, yeah, can do. Dito ka, Mari.
Nag-lose you and I gonna challenge.
My partner is, I know already.
Dito ka, China. Ilang partner? Partner? Hindi sila pwede magkakalaban eh. Ano?
Never mind.
Stay here, bro.
Yung battle random sa yun, yung random naman.
Pag sinabi ko battle, damputin mo na. Hindi random yun.
Advantage yung mababa.
Ayun na yung battle ko, ha?
Don't put the battle there. You need to lie. Oh, yan. You're cheating.
Oh, no. I don't know.
That's my point.
You have to make it straight.
This one no more, this one no more. Okay, only 5. Okay. Okay, players, let's start na. Only practice first. Okay.
Practice.
Head, shoulder, knee, battle.
If you say borrow, you got to go to borrow. Don't, you guys have to wait until he say borrow. Eh, I'm telling them.
Okay, gonna start now. Again. Head, shoulder, knee, head. Okay, wait. You don't pick your battle now. Don't pick the battle now.
Kuya, get my husband out.
Remove this one first. Remove the bell. Yan. Yan, Jiring.
Yeah, my husband is cheating.
Okay, start again, ha? Head, shoulder, knee, shoulder, head, knee, shoulder, head, battle! Who's the winner?
Oh, next round.
Loser. Sino? Oh, yan, apat. Ilan kayo? Apat. O, dito. Bilog kayo, bilog. Bilog na bilog.
Wala nila.
Circle. Yeah.
No, I don't like them there. I want to go. Ilan ba kami?
Ilan ba kayo? 5. Oh, we gonna
What's the borrow?
remove the one battle. Only 4. Malayo sa iba. Paunahan ka lang.
Okay. So meet me. I'm gonna go to the house. I'm gonna stop.
Okay, center on battle, okay. Center on the ball? Yeah, center on the ball.
Magkabangga yata tayo dyan ah. Pagdampo.
Kumanda kayo sa akin tatlo.
Okay, start!
Layo-layo natin. Tingnan mo na. Baka magkauntugan tayo. Baka magkauntugan tayo dyan. Headbutt.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, start! Head! Shoulder! Knee! Shoulder! Head! Shoulder! Knee! Shoulder! Head! Knee! Paddle!
Ano ka ba ba?
Into one battle! Cannot be battle only! Wait, circle! Okay, ready? Shoulder! Knee! Forehead! Shoulder! Knee! Head! Paddle! Only three, remaining. Two more battle. Okay, start. Head, shoulder, knee, shoulder, head, shoulder, knee, head, paddle. Okay, one battle left, ha? One battle left, remove one. You face another. You face each other, yeah. Okay, we start. Head, shoulder, knee, shoulder, head, shoulder, knee, head, shoulder, paddle. Oh my God!
You make the battle stand, the winner. Okay? Only 5 times each person. You tell them also.
Pantay-pantayin niyo yung tubig.
All them participate.
Sige, isang battle lang siguro. Isang battle lang siguro. Oo. Para baksa lang pare-parehan.
Oo, isang battle lang.
Isang battle lang.
Wala nang iba.
Dito maganda siguro sa baba para ano. Ano sa baba ano? Ha?
Yung kalahati yung laman.
No, you eat first.
Pero
4 minutes.
1/4 siguro. 1/4. Hindi na tayo yan. Medyo 1/4. Mababa yan, mataas na masyado tubig.
So bakit all of us you have
Kaisa ka lang.
Only one battle with the layers, ha? Only one question. So you can practice po yan, you can practice. Oh! Start already? Now the practice!
Oh, practice.
Yeah, practice.
Before we start, you have to announce it.
Ayan!
Why?
Laki.
Ganito, para tumayo yan.
Yan o. Sige. Pwede lang ah. No good at gay eh.
Right. Kenneth, one more.
Oh! You're laughing.
Kaya diyan, marunong na ganyan.
Dapat iba. Bote. Ayaw yan.
Kenneth. Tutong ka na lang.
Ay, kaya maglaro? Ito, di tayo kayo dito. Pagkain doon. Okay, hindi na strike na kayo. The winner will get...
You understand na din? 5 times mo? 40 minutes. Tama yan.
Sige, kayo naman maglalaro eh. Ay, kayo, sige, walang problema.
Okay, then winner the game will take the gift certificate worth $30 in Italian. Yes.
Oh, what we gonna use? This one or this one? This one, okay. Who's gonna start first? Who's gonna start first? Paul, you start. Use this one first. Yeah, this one.
Five try, five try.
Already start or practice? Okay, practice.
Rex, yan yung gamitin.
Yan na lang daw.
Okay.
Okay, ready, Paul?
Ready.
Only 5 times, ha? You flip, ha? Okay. Start now. 1. You flip, you flip.
1,
Oh. Nothing.
2,
3.
3,
Nothing. 4. 4. One score. Oh, 4-1. Oh, then, who's next?
4, 1.
4-1. Who's next? You go out now. You can wait. Everyone will gonna participate first. 1. Yeah, ready, 1. 2. 3. 4. Lose! Oh, who's next? Who's next? Who's next? Okay. 1. 2. 3. Left. 3. 4.
One more.
Lose! Oh, still call 1. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Oh, you next.
No.
Oh, who's next? Ikaw na, pre.
1,
1.
lost 2,
Hey! 1, 3.
4,
4.
one more.
Only one.
And him.
Yan, ikaw na.
Yeah?
Ito. Oo, kaya, game na. 1. 2.
How many?
5. 3. 4.
0.
Ahoo!
5. 5 na. Wala na. 6 na yun. Oh, we gonna take the gift check $30 and calendar. Okay, Oman next. 1.
Ahoo!
2.
Ahoo!
3.
Ahoo!
Angry. Oman, angry.
One more.
I have one more. I thought it's 5. Okay.
One
One more. Next. Ikaw na. Ikaw na. Okay, ikaw na. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. So next, kay Nard. 1, 2, 3.
Kulang sa laman yan.
4, 5. Go. Send it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lari. Oh, you go first. Okay. Start. Go. Look it up. Okay, 5 flip. Go. 1, 2, 3. 4.
One more.
5. Oh, no more. Next.
Wala nakadap. Sino nalo?
Isa. Sila. 1.
Almost. Calvin.
Nakasagat pa yun. Sabi kanina.
Ay!
Bakas tamban mo.
3. 4. 1. Apat na silang tiguan.
Okay, kailangan pa? Kailangan pa?
Malalaman ulit yung apat eh. Isa lang. 2, 3, 4, patay ka. 5, next. No more. Oh, you next. Okay, my bad. It's okay, not yet. Oh, 5 flip, go.
Did I finish?
Not yet. Everything, okay, finish already. Yeah. 1, 2, 3 more.
Hey guys, that's shifting. That's 1 minute.
Take your time, take your time.
If I make it this last one, now you guys gonna match one more. Okay.
You go first, Paul.
No, cannot.
You battle 4. You got 1 score.
But if you don't want to get, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay. Only one gonna win.
Only one
Oh,
go.
5 flip again.
Hey, we're not gonna wait for you. Fuck that shit.
What's the mood? Okay. Okay. 5 flip Paul. One, 2, go! Go! Don't touch! You flip! 3, 4,
Put your tongue.
oh! Last one! Flip it! One more! Oh! Eddie! One!
Pag wala ulit lang.
Oo, siyempre. Ito may manalo. 2, 3, 4, 5. Alvin.
Dapat dinagdagan pa konti.
1,
Alvin, don't be ashamed. Don't be ashamed.
What's up? 4. Oh, nothing. Yung last one.
Diba nakapagkano ka?
Oh, you get the win, you get the score. If they not get the flip, you still try again. Until the one winner. Okay? Okay, 5 flip, go! 1, 2, 3, 4.
Partner, up and down.
Yeah. 5. Oh. Again, Paul.
Hey, why not me?
Ha? 3 flip, only 3 flip. Each of you, 3 flip only. Okay. 3. Only 3. Only 3 flip, ha? Okay, go.
Ikaw na kasunod.
1.
Baguhin mo yung ano, bote.
Dapat yan dagdagan ng konti. Dapat yung wala naman. Dagdagan mo konti yun.
Hey, hurry up. There's nothing magic over there.
Yes.
Hey, you want me to?
Go.
Here.
3. Oh, yes. Hindi ka na.
My turn.
Kulang. Dagdagan natin yung konti.
Oh, $30 yung waiting, oh.
Hey.
1. 3 flip only, ha?
This one is the
2.
whoever's victim.
Yeah.
They're the one.
3. Alvin, next.
My turn. Oh, you.
Omar.
1.
Now, baby.
2.
We're gonna split that one.
Three. Oh, next. You're next. Who's gonna play? You. Oh, you play.
Palitan mo ng battle of
Only 3 flip ha.
Pagkakapos na lang, pagkakapos na lang.
1.
Oh, palitan din.
Ganyan, gagdagan.
All winner! Oh, give it the money! We have $50 left! Yeah, we have $50. I know you're not boss, huh? The last one, the one. No, we have 3 games more.
I wanna play.
No, you cannot change!
Who won the game?
Huh?
The one just finished. Who won it?
Larry. The Larry.
Fuck that guy.
Hey bro, you're lucky you won it.
You never said fuck up! You never said fuck!
Because we all together as one.
No, hit! Hit! Throw it! No! No good is here. Always paka. There's a line there, line. Okay, line. There's a line, yeah. You throw your slipper, you hit, you win $50. That's it.
Yan, magaling ako dyan.
Like that, oh. See, like that.
Ano yan? Tignan magkano yan?
25.
You wanna give check?
Hey,
Give check.
are you confirmed?
Give check from Joten.
Hey, Lana, no go over. Hey, no.
This one very far. Maybe someone will hit it very near.
Go back to the back. Go back there. Back.
Very far.
Yeah, very far like that. They're not gonna get it.
Nakita mo lang konti, yes. Lapit mo yung button. Yung button na.
Yeah, pwede na.
Malapit yata, Jess.
Layo mo na konti.
Lahat sila titira. Okay.
Ano, titira? Tatamaan?
Sila kayo. Okay. Form a line there. Bin, Teresa. Bin. Teresa.
ng chinas doon, kaya no?
Ilang. Follow the slippers. Ito.
What kind of game is that?
Throw your slipper to hit that can. And then you hit the can, you win.
What?
You throw your slippers.
Dari tayo.
Hindi na mabigat. And then you win. One left, then a win. Go.
If I throw my finger in that one, I win.
Yeah.
If two of you hit that can, you battle you two.
Okay, ikaw hindi yung participate pa. You go there. You follow slippers. Wait, not yet. We're not saying start yet. Ito na lang kaya. Yung may laman. Nakahangin. Yeah, medyo mabigat na hangin eh. Okay, wait. We're not yet set. Okay, who's gonna be first? Who's first? Okay, you go first, okay? When I say 1, 2, wait. You take your slippers. Oh, okay, next. Next ball. Okay, ready, go. Yeah, gitu. Yeah, kay Baro, no problem.
No, we just you one.
Okay.
So now I'm going to hit it.
Haya! Para. Next.
Go, guys. One.
Oh, next. Next.
Galing talaga kasi. Ito one hit sa battle. So yung Bernal gonna win. Okay. Start.
Wala na, 50-50 to.
Oh! Almost. Omar, next.
Ayan.
Oh! Okay, start.
Wala tayong pag-asa.
Oh, very fast.
Pwede bang umikot?
Okay, may tumama na. Uy, sayang mo. Oh, Nati.
Last babatuhan pa sila.
Oh, you already finished.
Oh, no.
You already finished. Ito na, pre. Ito na.
Last one.
No, not yet. Last one, Paul. Oh! Kay Bernard winner! Yeah! T-shirt na cake! Award $35.
Madaya kayo muna ko. Sabi ko.
Sabi nila si pinanalunan eh! Sunod! Lakit! Patuhan natin! Same thing! Throw the slippers! Okay, blanket! Same game, you throw your slippers, hit the button. The winner will get the... Blanket! Okay, the winner will get the blanket. Okay, second first. Omar? Oh, Omar, gano'n go first, ha?
Trial or?
Go na, ha? Oh, wala nang trial. Oh, start. Start. Oh, nothing. Next. Two more. You throw. It's okay. Last, you throw. Oh, what? No.
Oy, line na.
Line, Kenneth, line. You're cheating. Oh, you hit. One more.
Ubot yata ako ah.
Oh, no more. Oh, 3 left. Okay, Paul, let's go first. Oh! What? Two more left. Oh! Tuma. Dalawa kay battle kayo dalawa. Oh, battle. Only two. Ellie and Betty. No, that's you. It's not you. You not hit the battle. You sit down. Oh, we hit again now. Later. We have 3 more. Oh, wala. Close battle. Yeah, okay, one more.
Layuan nyo!
Eric, atras mo, Jess. Yan. Okay, start ulit. Same line pa rin. Same line. Go, yan. Because that one is hit the button. Only one winner. Okay. Hindi ka pa.
Hindi na mahalat sa diserte.
Okay, ikaw ulit, Ferdy.
Ang layo na
Uli. Hanggang matamaan nyo. Oh, Ferdy first. Oh! One more chance.
Magaling sa touching to. Touching ba yun?
Oh, Ferdy win! Sa banga! Win! $150! Worth of gift check from Philippines! Don't call it!
50 pesos, $1.
Are you healthy?
Ferdy!
I thought you healthy. Oh, healthy.
Next!
dalawang pages? Tignan mo na yung laman ng bag. Huli na yung bag, huli na. Huli na. Ilan pa? Tatlo?
Ala, patapatapik. Sama mo na sa bag yung isip. Yung bag naman.
Ha?
Patapatapik na lang daw. Patapatapik.
Ano, solo ulit? Ano ba to?
Matubig kayo nakatalikod kayo parehas. Tapos haharap kayo kung sino panalo.
Solo ulit.
Oh, nakatalikod.
Oo. Tapos haharap kayo kung sino panalo, di ba? Tama yun, di ba?
Ay, ano to? Kalendar?
We have games. We have plenty games. We have games. We have three.
Seryo?
Yeah.
Para sport to.
38.
Under one.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Omar! You gonna want anything?
Minute 4 per
Yeah.
Kaya dito ka layo mo naman. Ay, tadalang di. Talikod kayo, talikod. Yan. And then, rock, paper, scissors. You put half. And then, you stay. Let this This ka lang winner. Okay? Okay? Hey, ang partner! Sister, what to say? Okay, kay Bernard. Only three. Labas ka muna kay Eli. Wala mo lang partner eh.
Hey, speak English.
Yan. Yung put your hands up ah. Partner pre. Si Kelly at si Paul. Matindi na kasi. Paul, you go to first. Partner. Bin, partner kayo ni Kelly.
So you have to shut
Kelly, partner kayo ni Alvin. Kenneth. Kenneth, partner kayo ni Alvin. Rock, paper, scissors lang. Ay, tama pa yung dalawa. Yung dalawa po. Pasok ka. Okay, mga gang, you know the rules already. Okay, you put your hands in up, ha? Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Wait. Wala pa sinabi. Wait. Need to tell you to go around. You just put like this, and then we'll go around. Okay, just stay on this day. Okay. Kaya puro yung... Kasi dyan pumila! Okay. Ilagay nyo lang muna yung kamay nyo sa taas ha. Pag sinabi kong ikot, okay. Rock, paper, scissors! Wala pang turn around. Palag muna kayo.
Sanitay mo maraw.
Okay. Back again. Rock!
Can you make a
Ha? We will tell you returning. Okay. We will tell you return ha. Okay. Rock, paper, scissors. Stay on the top. Okay, go around. Who's gonna winner? Who's winner? Tie, okay. Who's winner?
No way.
Omar.
So rock. You lose your rock. Who's winner? Winner tao, you lose. Alvin. Who's winner? Oh, tayo, stay. Who's you? This one or not? Like that? Not like this. Okay, tie. Okay, say. Okay, second round, turn around. Rock, paper, scissors. Put your hands in up only. And then I will tell you, okay? Turn around. Oh, loose. Oh, what is that? Oh, tie. What is that? Tie also?
Okay, Neil. Alvin is Neil. Oh, time 3, time 3. Parin. 45.
Obserbahan nyo. Nandaya ako.
Ilan sila? Teka, sinong partner mo? Wala ka na, di ba? Talo na yun sa. Sinong partner nito? Si Omar. Omar, sinong partner mo?
Hey!
Alvin. You lose, Paul. You lose.
Hey, sir!
Alvin Luz. Or Spain.
Dito ba? O, dito ka, stay ka. Dito ka. Dito ka. Tatlo kayo, Bin, dito ka. Yan, okay. Yan, okay. No cheating ha.
Taas niyo kamay nyo, ha?
Lose 1 million. Ganun 1 million. Paper, scissors.
Hands up only, hands up only. Turn around, Paul. You cheating again, I will lose you. You turn around. Yeah, like that.
Again.
Again, sorry.
Again.
Back to 0. Okay. Hands down first, hands down.
Hands down, Paul.
Hands down. Rock, paper, scissors.
Hands up. No, don't turn around. You're cheating again, eh. Don't turn around. Only hands up. Don't turn around. You check the hands of other, eh.
Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Oh, turn around. Time. Okay.
Waiting. Alvin, waiting ka dyan, waiting.
Okay.
Tatlong bilis yan mo.
Turn around, Paul. Turn around. Rock, paper, scissors. Turn around. Oh, you know. Alvin, tell him.
Patay ako parehas kayo.
Ayaw ko dyan!
You go there sa shadow.
Okay, tatlong bisis.
May shadow daw, eh. Atras. Yan mo, Jess. Atras ka, Kenneth. Sa may shadow, eh. Ito na, sa may shadow pa.
Naman ako.
Wala kayo sa linya.
Okay, gang.
Yan. Mar, forward ka pa, Mar. Yan. Okay, hands up lang, rock, paper, scissors. Hands up. Turn around. No, you lose, Paul. No, you're rock. I saw you. Kenneth waiting. Alvin and Omar only fighting. Okay, rock, paper, scissors. Turn around. Okay, last battle lang.
Naisahan.
Sino? Wala na,
Wala na.
Okay, last na. Oh, payan. Oh, lapit ka, Kenneth, lapit ka. Yan, dikit pa. Yan. Rock, paper, scissors. Turn around. Yeah! Kenneth,
Maraming laman yan.
and 2 t-shirts, binabag.
Maraming laman yan.
Di ba yan napagsilat na kapila dito?
Maraming laman. Brass ang laman yan. Brass. Kasi buisin eh.
Pumila dito.
Unlimited. Gift certificate. Unlimited time.
Ay mo, magagalit naman yung mamaya.
Alright. Kuya, is it unlimited to that trip, ma'am?
We don't know yet, but don't have price, maybe 50 or $30.
So if you win, you go to strip one.
You win.
Ano yan?
Yeah, sure.
Asking.
Asking, yes.
Lupa tayo. Ulan. Okay. We're good over there, right? Hey, boy.
Ano to? Wala na to. Sama mo na sa
Isa na lang yan.
One more game, right?
Yeah, one more. Certificate in the calendar.
Kuya, gusto man yung kapalengke.
If you win, I give it to you, no problem.
Sabihan pa, wala pwede ma.
Hey, boys. We guys we love each other. Unless we don't have anything. Karma or whatever. But we
Ano na, naman sa akin, tanong natin itlog eh. Nakakahaga.
not Filipino.
Sino mabasag yung itlog talo?
Please don't get that.
like, ha?
MC. Yeah.
Hey, Steve!
MC. Only
Sorry, Titi. What are you doing? What the fuck? What the
Oh, number game?
Oh, last game na. What do you mean?
For me, where I'm happy, I don't care about anybody. Nah. When I'm happy, I'm gonna be happy. Yeah. Especially Christmas time.
No. It's not local style. It's a Filipino style.
Local style.
No.
Local style is good.
This is what it's all about. Music, bringing everybody together under one roof.
Music, bring everybody.
Bring me down. I hope we get
Bongsoro. Boys.
Yeah, Bongsoro.
Bongsoro. Request.
We're done. Make it loud. Make it loud.
Let's go, lady.
Make it loud.
I want to dance with you.
No, don't video me. Don't video me.
Yeah. There you go. Let's do that.
Oh, si Kuya.
Let's go. Come. Woo. You know, that's one thing I'm talking about.
Ito na pa. Hindi tayo lumayo. Dito na lang.
Sabi mo, susundan ka na yan.
Okay, Kenny. Last game.
Oh, PRP.
Okay, guys. Last game tayo. Last game.
Hey! I saw you guys.
Kenny, last game tayo. Last game. Give certificate from the hotel. Okay, we will explain to the mechanics. You use your own slippers. Throw that wood standing. The nearest slipper gonna win. Understand? Throw your own slipper to that wood standing. The nearest slipper there gonna win. Okay? There's a line here.
Nangwood.
Oo, bahala kayo kayo. Basta pinakamalapit.
Pinakamalapit?
Oo, pinakamalapit doon sa kawin na kayo. Oo. Yung sariling sinelas nyo ay hindi pwedeng hiram. Nearest slipper in that wood, the winner. All slipper ha, nothing is nothing barrel. So we can know whose slipper is the nearest. Oh, you go first, Kenneth. Oh, next, Eddie. Very well. Bernard. Oh, very well also. Eddie. Ada closer the winner ha. Ay,
Lagpas yung sa akin.
Akala ko tayo yun.
Throw your slippers to that wood. The nearest, the winner.
Ito, panalo. Ito. Or just don't
Okay, you throw it. Yeah, like that. Ending. Ooh. Next. Omar, next. Arvin, next.
Ipa. Nelson.
No one else. Okay. We check who's Canales.
Bernard. Nelson. Si...
Who's the winner? Leslie.
Benelson. Si Kenelson. Ano pa?
Kay Bernard ikaw.
Kay Bernard.
Tapos na si Mang Nard.
Wala na.
Talo na si Bernard. Malayo.
Tapos na yan.
Wala na.
Wala na.
Ito pinakamalapit. Ito, pinakamalapit.
You're the winner.
Yes!
From Joven. Congratulations. That guy. Handsome guy.
Oh yes.
Congrats.
Wow, nice.
Ah, yeah. I know.
Laris brother.
Hey, MC.
Congrats.